landscapes of small Himalayan country, Nepal is most spectacular in the world, but highly vulnerable to climate change. Nepal is fourth most vulnerable country in terms of climate risks. It can't escape rapidly increasing influence of climate and global changes to preserve this scenic view for the future. Urban development, including land use changes, dense building development, heat emissions and human activities do have great impact upon local climate. Fire due to irrational human behavior results to huge destruction of ecosystem and our climate system. Fossil fuel is a global issue. When it is burned, produces a greenhouse gas called carbon dioxide. Burning plastic produces greenhouse gases. In Nepal, there is increasing trend of burning tires by protesters to make the government listen their voice. Meanwhile, turning deaf ear to its adverse effect on environment. Burning of agricultural residues and chemicals results in emission of toxic gases. Our dependence on petroleum products for daily activities like cooking and running vehicles has pronounced effects upon environment. Forests are Earth's air conditioning system, the lungs of planet, and we are in the verge of switching it off. Snow-capped, majestic mountains are gradually losing their silvery outlook and turning into barren rocky hills. Climate change is now slowly showing its effects in the form of thunderstorm, hailstorm, erratic rainfall, floods, and landslides. Farmers have never faced as many problems as they do today with drought. Drying up of water resources have been so pronounced that it has adversely affected their day-to-day and agricultural activities.
Agriculture and rural communities significantly affected by climate change. In recent decades, both drought and flood attributed to climate change have been getting more pronounced. Increasing global temperature annually, fluctuate crop heat units, which reduce crop diversity and productivity, will ultimately affect food security.
The use of solar energy offers huge potential for natural resources and climate protection and for the expansion of renewable energies on the road to future-oriented energy supply. There is urgent need to stop subsidizing the fossil fuel industry and significantly shift our power supplies from coal and natural gas to hydropower. Wind power is best alternative for fossil fuel, natural gas and firewood burning in districts like Manang and Mustang. Similarly, electric rickshaw and goa gas in cities and Tarai region.
Time has come to channel our efforts together in order to tackle climate change. We youth should come out from our position and act now so as to make the global leaders listen our voice. Dear global leaders, the impacts of climate change are occurring faster than many scientists had projected. We are seeing them in the form of glacier melt, sea level rise, heat waves, and other damaging extreme weather events. It's time to stop debating and start acting.
Stop climate change before it changes you.
So act before it's too late.